Breakups, betrayal, heartbreak. We've all been there. The gut-wrenching pain, the sleepless nights, the endless questions. Why did this happen? What did I do wrong? Will I ever heal? But what if I told you that the secret to surviving and even thriving after a relationship breakdown has been known for centuries? What if the ancient Stoic philosophers Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, Epictetus could teach us how to master calm, control our emotions, and emerge stronger than ever? Today, we're diving deep into Stoic secrets that will change the way you see relationships, heartbreak, and healing. Stay with me until the end, because what you're about to hear has the power to transform your life. The first Stoic lesson. Control what you can, accept what you cannot. Epictetus once said, happiness and freedom begin with a clear understanding of one principle. Some things are within our control, and some things are not. Think about your past relationship. You can't control another person's actions, emotions, or choices. You can't change the past. But what you can control is your response, your mindset, your growth. Instead of asking, why did they leave me? Ask, how can I grow from this? Instead of dwelling on what ifs, focus on what now. The moment you accept what is outside your control, you take your power back. You shift from being a victim to being the architect of your own life. Seneca, another great Stoic, taught us that adversity is the training ground of the strong. He said, difficulties strengthen the mind, as labor does the body. Pain is not your enemy. Pain is your teacher. Every heartbreak carries a lesson. Maybe it taught you self-worth. Maybe it exposed red flags you ignored. Maybe it forced you to confront your fears of loneliness. Instead of seeing heartbreak as the end, see it as a new beginning. A test that will forge you into someone wiser, stronger, more resilient. Here's a powerful Stoic exercise. Negative visualization. Marcus Aurelius practiced this daily. Imagine losing the things you cherish. Your home, your job, your relationships. Not to dwell in fear, but to cultivate gratitude. If you had prepared yourself for the possibility of this relationship ending, would you be suffering as much now? The truth is, everything in life is temporary. People come and go. Love fades. Circumstances change. Be why practicing negative visualization. You don't live in fear of loss. Instead, you appreciate the present more deeply and accept the future. With strength, anger, bitterness, the desire for revenge, these emotions are natural, but they are also chains that keep you stuck in the past. The Stoics teach us that the best revenge is not seeking revenge, it's living a life of virtue. Marcus Aurelius wrote, the best way to avenge yourself is to not be like that. Don't let betrayal make you bitter. Don't let rejection make you doubt your worth. Instead of reacting, rise above. Let go of the need to prove anything to anyone. Focus on becoming the best version of yourself. Success is not in making them regret leaving, it's in you not needing their validation anymore. Inner peace isn't found, it's built. Daily, the Stoics had practices that kept them grounded, no matter what storms they faced. Here are 3. You can start today. Journaling every night. Write down your thoughts. What you learned. What you handled well. What you can improve. Meditation. Spend a few minutes every morning in silence, focusing on your breath. Train yourself to detach from negative emotions. Physical discipline exercise. Walk. Lift. Strengthen your body, and your mind will follow. By incorporating these habits, you build an unshakable foundation. You become someone who cannot be broken by life's changes. You simply adapt and grow. If you take one thing away from this video, let it be this. You are not your past. You are not your heartbreak. You are not what someone else did to you. You are what you choose to become. And you have the power to turn this pain into your greatest transformation. The Stoics didn't just survive adversity, they mastered it. And now, so can you. If this video inspired you, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more wisdom to help you master your mind and life. Stay strong, stay stoic, and I'll see you in the next one.